everyone, this is Cesar from Farmers Insurance, Cesar Pineda Agency in Norwalk, Connecticut. Today I am with Francisco, who is our newest guest in a lineup of amazing guests that we've had over the last few weeks. And he is going to introduce himself because he has a really awesome title that I don't want to butcher.
Thank you, Cesar. Yes, like you said, my name is Francisco Rodriguez. I'm with Magnolia Bank. I'm the senior loan officer for the branch and also serve as the operations manager.
So, Francisco, thank you for joining us again. So really excited to talk to you because you and I kind of live in the same world in different sides of that same world, right? Which is people who are purchasing a home for sometimes the first time or maybe their second or third home, and you help them get that home, which is the American dream, as we all know. So why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, how you got into this industry, how long you've been doing it, what you do for people?
So more or less, I think it's been about 8+ years that I've been in the mortgage industry. I started as a loan processor through a friend of mine that introduced me to the business. And ever since then, I liked it. I enjoyed the fact that I can help people, with their dreams. One of the biggest dreams they have when they come to the United States, or people that actually live here, which is to get their own home, their own space, so they can create memories. They can have a long-lasting legacy for their kids and family. So that's what I do. I help a lot of first-time home buyers achieve their dream of home ownership. And as well, I do help investors. I have clients that have come. The max I have a client was 3 times, 3 properties. They purchase their first, and then 2 other investment properties and refinance as well.
What part of the process do you get involved? Are you there from the very beginning until the very end, or are you like, after they're pre-qualified, you get involved, or how does that work?
No, I'm involved throughout the whole process since the very beginning. Since I meet the clients, we take the application and go through the whole process. So I'm with you the whole process from point A to all the way to Z. So even after, when we close, my clients are always staying in touch with me, asking questions about, they get documents in the mail, a letter saying, my mortgage got transferred. What do I do? So I'm there all the time, and they know that they can contact me. That's my motto. I treat everyone like family.
And so on that topic of family, I did see from one of your videos, I like your style because you're kind of doing a similar thing to me with tips, with information, with education, and then some of the other stuff that comes with. But you mentioned that you're from Ecuador, right? So I'm from Colombia. He's from Ecuador. We were, very close to each other and very similar cultures in many ways. But I like that the family aspect of it. Like, we like to treat. That's how I treat my clients. Like, it could be anybody, Spanish speaking, English speaking, and then we always treat them like they're my uncle or like they're my cousin or something. Where you give them advice that's relevant, but then you also sometimes have to be kind of like a little more stern with them and be like, don't do that. Like, I know you and I know our culture. Don't do that.
Yeah, and that happens a lot. And that's why, from the very beginning, I make them feel at home. So that way they can open up to you because, as you know, the mortgage process is very stressful and very involved. So the more we know about the story of each client, the better we can help, structure the deal the right way. Because I'm always looking for the best solution for the client. No, not just getting them any mortgage that will get them approved. It's just like what benefits that person in every aspect. So the more we speak